Good morning, friends. We are on a hiking tour to Narsing Pawa over here. It's a beautiful track over there. You can see my team. This is my team over here. We are on the hiking tour today. This is the hiking team that we have from Nepal. Today I am with Hike for Nepal. See, it is a beautiful place.
Hi, this is Sanjay.
My friend Sanjay. Yeah. It's a nice place, nice hiking place. We are approximately a good team over here, and after hiking, we would be going for a picnic. A nice place, a lot of waterfall too. A beautiful serene location. I am again your friend Ajay Baral from Dehradun, taking you for a hiking trip. A nice one. See, it's a hiking tour. A lot of people across from all age domain. There are young children also. There are young people also, and some elderly people also across. We have a good team across over here. Nice place to be in. See,
Hello.
this is a hiking trip. Good people across, and I'm carrying this memory.
Sandwich, fried rice.
Sai is also with us. Yeah. You can also try hike for Nepal. It's a really beautiful team across over here. A really nice place.
Sandwich go. Let's go.
अझै पछाडि छन्